Good morning to everyone. In this video, I would like to share you how to use Google Classroom app as a teacher. Before using this Google Classroom app, we have to install Google Classroom app through the Play Store and we have to sign up with our Gmail account. Once you can sign up with your Gmail account, you just click on to the Google Classroom app, and this is your home screen of you. This is of your home screen, and as a teacher you just click on to the plus symbol. Here two options will be displayed: join class and create class. You just click on to the create class, read the instructions and click continue button. For creating a class, just I create one class and a section. These are the optionals: room, online, subject, max. I just created. This is the first step in the classroom to create the class. After creating the class only, we can as a teachers we can assign and send materials, videos to the students. We'll see how it will be. See, my class has created here and I would like to assign work for the students. For that, go to the classwork. Here, see, before that, go to stream. Here, setting options. I usually click on to the settings. See, in general option, class code will be there. When you press with the finger, automatically your class code will be copied, and this class code we have to be sent to the students through their mobile numbers directly or through WhatsApp. Any options you can send it automatically. Through this class code, students can be joined directly to your classes. And for assigning the works, click on to the classwork option. Here click on to the addition plus symbol. Here will visible assignment, question, material, topic and request. For these are the options. Just click on to the topic. See, in class 5 mathematics I have a different units. So first I created unit 1. Unit 1, some additions topic will be. I just created a topic and I create one more topic also for your reference. Create unit 2, just multiplication. These are the two units. So today I would like to teach to the students in the about additions. So go again, for I need to share my teaching video or material to students. For that, go to the again class. So a plus symbol will be there. So for sharing materials, click on to the material. Here you can title. So introduction, next descriptions. You can instruct the students go through the attachments. So here no topic will be. Click on to the, so in which topic you have to share the materials, addition topics, save. And here top right side we have options, attachment symbol. See, when you click on to the attachment symbol, we have many options: drive, link, file, take photo, video, record video. Means you can share your material directly, take photo and you can send it, and you can record here directly. Here record, live record, and you can send it directly, or else already you have any recorded video will be there. Click on to the file, you can share it through here. Link, see, in any website, if you feel best video for this related topic, you can copy that link and paste it directly to here, or your file will be in the drive. Click on to the drive and share it to the files. I just go to the file. Already I have one small file will be there. I just click on to, I took photo before. So we have many options to attaching the files. So my after finish, if you need to attach one more file, click onto the file attachment, you can send it. So see, if you need to do any addition means editing in this particular video, click on to here, edit option will be here. You can do any changes later if you need it. So my work has finished. Now again, if you after 2 days, this is the reading material you share it to them. After 2 days you want to conduct any test to the students. For that you have to go to assignment option and click on to the assignment. Just give the instructions, do the test and submit as per due date. Okay, here attachment. So question paper, you can take the written document, take photo and send it directly, or else you have any PDF document, you can send it, a file you can send it. So same like as a how to send the materials. So already I have a one attachment will be there, I can send it directly for your reference. See here again, click on to the due date, when the student has to submit. Click on to the particular date and time also. And here how many marks you need to assign for this. You can give for example 30 marks. Click on to the save button. Topic, in which topic this assignment will be given. Save button. So after finishing all these requirements, click on to the attach button. So assign. See, once you assign the work, just open the class, go to the classwork. See, here these are the attachments, send it to the students. See, when student has joined through the code, automatically that number will be comes into the assigns matter one symbol. When the student will be submitted their works, automatically that number will be turned into handed. See, one student I send code for one student, that student will be submitted here, that comes into the handed in. When you click on here, we'll see what answers written by student. See, these are the answers. So through photocopy only the student has sent. See here, see here, when you observe into the bottom here, A symbol will be there. Click on to that, you can select it particular answer. You can comment after above this question. See, good. For this you can comment it like this, and see here, you can check the answers here like this. These are the answers. So total, after checking your answer paper, how many marks would you like to give the student? Just click on to here and click to the return button. When you click on to the return button only, here you can post the comments of particular about this topic, about this answer script privately. You can send it to the students. When you click on to the return button only, the marks will be returned to the students. After that, see, automatically handed comes into the marked in Okay, so these are the, so how many students has joined, how many students submitted their work, the marks, once they mark, the student has marked at a display hole here. Once all the students marks has been assigned, click on to this drive symbol. We can make it copy as a for our future reference also. We can convert it into as a Excel sheet also. So this is what, how as a teacher we will create a class, and how we will assign the works to the students, how we analyze the marks, how we marked the marks, how we will export all the marks through the Excel sheets. This is how the procedure. Hope it's clear to everyone. Thank you so much.